How to fix Twitter profile update failed. Hey guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix a Twitter profile update that failed. Many users encounter this problem when trying to update their profile picture, bio or other details on their Twitter account. Fortunately, there are a few simple steps you can follow to resolve this issue and successfully update your Twitter profile. To get started, open up settings, then you need to scroll down until you see an option of apps. Click on it. Then you need to click on apps again, and here you need to search for Twitter or X. Tap on it. Once you are on app info for Twitter, click on storage. And from here you need to offload the app by clicking on clear. You can also click on clear data. When you offload an app, it removes the application itself while preserving its data and setting. Reinstalling the app from the Google Play Store ensures that you are getting the latest version of the app, which can fix any bugs or glitches that may have been causing problem. By performing this process, you give the app a fresh start, potentially resolving issues such as crashes, freezes, slow performance or other malfunctions. You can also update your app. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any question about the whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.